are you going down here? Hey!
Where?
I want to go down. This is bumpy.
Huh?
It's bumpy.
Daddy's gonna take his time. Hmm?
It's bumpy. It's bumpy, Daddy.
It's bumpy. Yeah?
Don't go that way.
Why?
Daddy, I want to go there.
I don't want to go that way.
Why are you putting that on the ground?
So we can see you. You want me to see you? See? You can see your face now. There's your face. You're making, what kind of face you making?
What face is that? What do you call that face?
Happy.
Happy face?
I'm doing this. And this
It's
is
not a
angry.
silly face.
This is angry.
That's not angry. You're smiling.
No, if angry, you don't.
Look.
If you're angry, then you doesn't show your teeth. You're like, angry is like,
Girl, look.
yeah.
Girl, look at this.
Oh yeah.
Sad. This is sad.
No, that's still a smile. You don't put a smile if you're sad.
This is sad. What's your home?
You don't know how to be sad.
What's your home? Right here.
Huh?
What's your home?
Where's my home?
Yeah.
My home is in Long Island, New York.
Right here. This is a sad.
Yeah, that look more like a sad.
Yeah.
Can you see her in here?
Yeah.
You can see her?
No. Mm-mm. Yes, when you move your head, we can see her.
What's up, mommy?
Nothing.
You okay?
Yeah.
Miss me?
Yes. Yeah.
You sure? Yeah?
What is this?
It's a flyer.
Yeah. What? Daddy, this is you.
It is me.
Can I see? Yeah, it's a hair. Yeah, you can pick some letters. Yeah, this is you.
Yeah. Is it? I don't know. Is it me?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's do this song. This is Dad too.
Yeah?
Daddy too, Daddy too. And then there's another Dad too. There's a lot of dads. Yeah, one too. And then this, you can just pick. But if you pick it out, then it will be all gone.
I don't want you to tear it up, okay?
Why we cannot tear it up?
Because I need it. Oh, did I build up something over there?
Here you go. This is you. But I don't have grandma.
Huh?
I don't have grandma.
No.
No, this one. Because we didn't make grandma.
No, he don't need to make. He's making it for himself.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
What?
I don't know.
Uh-oh.
He's making it for himself, and you're just dancing.
Ah.
You're dancing.
Who's dancing?
You.
Me?
Yeah, because you're dancing here. Look.
Oh.
You're
Ah.
dancing. You're dancing.
Yeah?
You're dancing. Yeah, now you're dancing. I got a new hair. Somebody made two big hands, two big tails, and then I made a new hair. Yeah, it's my new hair. It's my new hair. Look, I did this.
You did what? Good.
Who's that bag for?
That's mine.
This is my bag. You got a big bag.
I do.
I have a little bag. But I don't have a bag. But I have a bubble bag. I have big bag. But I didn't put it in.
You hungry already?
No, not really.
Did you eat, mommy?
Yes, we did. Breakfast.
Yeah?
And we didn't get bacon.
You didn't get bacon?
And we did not eat waffles.
Oh, what did you eat?
We just eat just eggs.
Okay.
And just tea too. But I was full. full with tea.
Oh, you were full
Because
with
I
tea?
was full with tea. I don't want it anymore.
Oh, did you eat some of the eggs?
Yeah. I ate all my eggs. I
Yeah?
ate all my eggs.
That's good.
I ate all my eggs, so I win.
Oh, can I get big high five?
And high five.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Good
That was
job.
one time. Real got one time. I got one time. And Daddy, look.
Huh?
Mom, can we go? Daddy, can we go this way?
Yeah, gotta get some gas, so.
I want lollipop this way.
No lollipop right now.
Oh!
Maybe lollipop later.
No. Mommy, today. Maybe we went to the water yesterday.
Hmm?
We went to the water yesterday.
Really?
Yeah, there's water.
Hmm.
Yeah, wow.
Was it fun?
Yeah. Mommy, don't get out.
Hmm?
I don't like to get out.
You don't want me to get out? Why you don't want me to get out?
Because I really think,
I want to get some gas. I'll be right back.
Hey,
Hey,
What?
Daddy. What's Daddy doing?
he's gonna get gas. He told you he's gonna get gas.
Inside? What is this?
Hmm?
Inside?
Right here. The gas pump is right there. By the side.
Grandma.
Yes, dear.
I said I was home.
Huh?
I said I was home.
You was home?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I said now. I said I was home.
Mm-hmm.
And Dana's not home.
Dana is not home?
No.
Where is she? School?
Yeah, no.
Huh?
Maybe she's going. She's not at work.
She's working?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice.
Where's Daddy?
He's putting the gas in the car. No?
I see Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy! Oh, I didn't see her.
Uh-oh, you have to carry it.
Oh, I see him! Yeah,
Yeah.
me too. Hey, Daddy, I wanna- Hey! Hey! Daddy! Dad, why did you take all the hair off?
Huh?
Why did you take all the hair off?
I didn't want it no more.
Why?
I didn't want it no more.
Hey, don't do that.
Don't do what?
Daddy, yeah, Daddy. Close. Close you. Close.
Wow.
Grandma,
Yes?
Daddy bite me.
Right?
Yeah.
Did it hurt? Did it hurt?
You kill me.
I'm scary.
You're scary too, Briella.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah. Dad, we're on 3 and 4.
Huh?
We're on 3 and 4.
If we are what?
We're on 3 and 4.
If Brielle 3 and 4?
No, Brielle is 3.
And you are 4. Oh,
I'm still almost getting 6. Brielle's almost 4.
Briella is almost 4?
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm
and you'll
not
be 5?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm 5 today, and Brielle's almost 4.
Okay.
And I'm almost 6.
Yes, Brielle?
What time Mommy said? Today I'm going to Dale.
You going where?
Today I'm going to Dale.
We got somebody even gishing all this
And
like
the
a
guy is going to go to Dale.
Ajaya just can't come here.
Daddy! Daddy, Chanel was being so funny, said I have to go to jail.
Why?
Because Chanel is so funny. I don't like her.
Oh, why the... Don't say that.
She said the bad word. And I don't like to go to jail. Yeah, because she wants me. And now she missed me. And I cried. Chanel said I had to get ready, and I don't want to.
Okay.
And now the penis.
So what did you do? Why she say you are to go? You are going to jail?
I don't know.
Oh.
Cause he's mean. He said right now, and I said no.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, so we don't want to go. And I cried, and I said no.
No, you don't want to go to no jail, right?
No.
No, she was just kidding. I don't think she meant it.
Chanel said I'm going to jail too.
She doesn't mean it.
Yeah, she's just kidding.
Yeah, she's just kidding.
Oh no!
What happened?
I got a sock.
Oh.
And I got a sock. And I have a sock too.
Okay.
I have another sock.
That's good.
And I just have a monkey in my sock.
You what?
I have a monkey. Right here. It's
You got a
bear.
monkey in your sock.
No, it's a bear.
It's a bear.
She's and look what I have. And I
Don't
have
take your shoes
Don't
off.
take it off. Oh, that's beautiful. Ooh.
purple.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
my sock. And this is a monkey. And I have skirt. And Chanel said I was so funny, and Mom said I was so funny.
Oh, because you have skirt?
Yeah.
Skirt is...
I want it.
Okay.
Grandma,
Mm-hmm.
I have monkey socks.
That's good.
Yeah, I love monkey socks.
Yeah.
Monkey. Oh. Hey. I was so what a monkey. I see this. And I saw. I'm a monkey. I'm a monkey.
No, you are not. You're not.
Yes, I am. I'm a monkey.
No.
I'm a monkey. I'm a monkey too.
Monkeys are funny. You're not funny. Are you funny?
I'm a monkey. Monkey,
Oh.
Monkey said we don't smoke. There's 8. And Daddy,
Yeah.
animals get to live on your phone. Please! No, please!
I don't want to play it.
I want to turn it on.
I don't want to play because they're gonna copyright my video,
No, I want to turn it on.
and I don't
Stop
want them to
shouting
copyright.
at you,
I don't
yeah.
want them to copyright my video.
I want to watch it on your phone.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna let you watch it soon.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Turn it on.
Soon.
No.
Yes.
Hey.
Hey. Hey.
What?
What?
I want to watch it.
Okay. We are at 10 minutes.